won't believe how much this YouTube channel makes a month, only with simple bedtime story videos. According to the Social Blade, they make more than $3,700 a month. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make videos like this channel in under 5 minutes, only using free AI tools. Before going into step-by-step tutorial, let me show you an example video I made using this method.
Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a brave young lion named Leo.
So let's start the tutorial. First, we need to make an interesting bedtime story for children. For that, I'm going to use ChatGPt. Let's go to the ChatGPT and type, "Make a children bedtime story about jungle." As you can see, this will generate an amazing story. Now you need to copy this story to a text document or a Word document. Now we need to generate the voiceovers. For that, I will use 11 Labs. If you don't have an 11 Labs account, go to the link in the description and sign up for free. Now you need to select a suitable voice for our bedtime story video. I would recommend using a calm voice for this task. In the settings, you can select a suitable voice, so check all the voices available and select the best one. I'm going to use this voice for our example video. Now copy and paste the story that we created to 11 Labs, part by part, and generate the voiceovers. Do this for all segments. Now, voiceovers are completed. Next, we need to generate a talking animation. For that, I am going to use Adobe Express. Head over to Adobe Express and sign up. After signing up, press Create Now. As you can see here, there are several characters. Pick a suitable charter from here. I'm going to select this one. You can adjust the size of the character as well. Then we need to select a background. There are nice backgrounds here. I am going to go with a green color background because it's easy to edit. Then to change the size of the video, select YouTube and landscape mood. Now click the Browse button here and upload the voiceovers that you downloaded. This will generate an amazing talking animation. Now we need to create background animation. For that, I am going to use Canva. Go to Canva and sign up. Go to Video and select YouTube Video. Now we need a background graphic. Head over to FreePick and search Jungle Night Background and download any suitable background from here. I am going to use this one. Now go to Canva again, upload that image to Canva and change the size. Now we need to add animations. Go to Elements and type animated trees, animals, etc. and add suitable animations to your video. Just like this, keep adding suitable animations from Canva. Make it look more interesting. There are a lot of animations in Canva, so make sure to add all of them in an interesting way. After that, select a suitable time length for your background video and download it. The hardest part is done. Now we need to create the final output. For this, I will use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also use Filmora. First, create a new project and use the correct dimension for the YouTube video, which 16:9 ratio. Now import the background video that we created and then import the talking animation video on top of it. Now go to Effects and type Ultra key and drag it to the top video. Then go to Edit and scroll down and you will see this eyedropper tool. Click on it and click on the green color background. It will remove the background. Now 99% of the process is done. Now we need to add some sound effects such as insect sounds, owl sounds, and some animal sound effects. For that, I will use Pixabay royalty-free music. Like this, you can add several sound effects. Our video is completed. I hope you understand everything. Thank you for watching my content.